Today I'm gonna show you like all my fidgets. They're kind of organized, but if you guys love fidgets, you should check out this person. Her name is Mrs. Bench. You should subscribe to her if you love fidgets because she has a ton. Like, I mean, way more than me. A ton of fidgets. So here I'm gonna show you them. It's right there. I have to move my fan. I slip without fan. So they're all up here. I'll show you first. Like what it looks like. A lot. I got a lot for my birthday. I got like a big thing. Like a big fidget kit, so I have a lot. I don't know if I ever did a fidget video, so today is one. So here I go. So I think I should start with my poppets. I'm gonna show you one by one. So this is like a little apple. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it glows in the dark. So I should go shut my lights off and see if it glows. It's probably not because it's light outside right now, but I never open my lights. So there's this glow in the dark poppet. I have this ice cream I got from my friend. It's a good poppet, actually. You guys can probably hear this. Like, this one's pretty good. It's a good one. So there are two. I don't actually have two. I have this. This one's pretty cool, actually. On the popper thingies, I don't know what it's called, like the things that you pop. There's letters on it, the whole alphabet. But right here at the bottom, there's a little heart. Guys can see that. That's pretty cool. I actually have this one. This one's pretty cool too. It's lips. You can see the lips in every like part. It's a good puppet actually. I got it for Christmas. I don't know what to show you next. Oh yeah, I'll show you that. So I actually have another ice cream. This one's pretty good too. It's a pretty good poppet. So I have this rainbow French fry thingy. Whoa. So this thing like came off, and that's what's on the inside of it. So that's pretty cool. So I have real French that like kind of look like real French fries. I don't know. It doesn't, like the bottom part doesn't really look like French fries. The top part, like the French fries itself, that looks like French fries for sure. So, and then I have this shooting star puppet. It's not that good. It's not like a really good puppet, but next is another rainbow one, guys. The burger. Like, this one's pretty cool. Look at this. Like, right in the middle of, like, right here and stuff. There's, like, cool stuff on there. On the poppets again, there's burgers. You guys can see that. Oh, you guys should watch this one short that we made. It's with Brielle, and it's called I Want the Burgers and Fries. We should have held those two poppets up. That would have been perfect. So I have this simple octagon, simple blue octagon. The weird thing is, so like when you pop it, it like goes down. So I don't know what like that means, but okay. Next one is rainbow again. Cake. I got a cake for my birthday. Okay. I think that's all my big poppets. Yeah, that's all my Poppets. I don't really like Poppets. Oh no, never mind. That's not all my. Oh, that's all my big Poppets, but not like my little one. So I have this pineapple one. It's from my cake actually. So I got 3 from my cake. I had a Poppet party. So where's? Okay. So I have this stocking one. This one's pretty cool. Like it can hang. I have this. No, I'm not showing you that yet. I have this one from my teacher. It's one that can go in backpacks and stuff. Pretty good pop actually. Got this one from my cake too. Like it came with my cake actually. Where's the last one from my cake? Oh, I actually have dimples too. I'll show you those too after these little ones. This is the last one. And there's also like ice cream on it, on the pop things. Okay, now my pop it. Oh, that's not. I have this one. It's not that good. I don't think it's like good at all. Okay, there's this one, this little one. It's actually really small. It looks pretty big in the camera, but it's actually really small. See? I have 2 more. And this is the same one, but just a different color. So it looks really big, but it's actually small. And then there's peas in the pod. Well, like I actually have peas in the pod, but like these look like peas, so. Now let's go on to my fidget spinner Poppets. So there's this one, tie-dye. There's also this one. It has the strings, so it's hard to spin. But it's pretty good, I guess. I thought I had another one. Yeah, here. Here's this one. That's pretty good. It's going fast. So now it's dimple time. I only have 2 dimples, so there's this unicorn. It's a simple one, simple dimple. So these are I got the first ones that are made. I only have 2 dimples, so I'm not really a fidget queen. Like I don't love fidgets. I like them, but not love. So then I have this one with butterfly. Some people have different colors. I just have this color. Now we're on the squishies. So I have this, like unicorn squishy. It's actually really squishy. So I have like this panda one. It's like a panda donut thing. I have a little rainbow. It's really cute. We painted actually this one. We painted this one and that unicorn. There's 2 more that we painted too. I'm gonna show you. Here's another one we painted. This one I like. So it's like yellow, but then over on this side it's way different. There's that one. These ones I painted are really squishy actually. One more I painted. Here it is. Then I have another squishy. It's like a little narwhal, I think. I don't know what it's called. I'm not obsessed with squishies. Look at this one. Jensen, I think Jensen actually likes this one. I don't know. Well, Madeline might. I don't know. Next, we're doing pop tubes. So I have these 4 here. And then I have these ones. I think these are all my pop tubes. Like I said, I'm not a fidget queen, so I don't have that much of everything, but I don't know should we do marble mesh? Yeah, we should do marble mesh next. So I only have these 3 colors. Simple colors. As always. Oh, now snapper. I only have one snapper, but it's an apple. I have a lot of apple things. As you guys know, I have an iPod. I make videos on there. I made hacker videos on there, so I think I should do my wacky tracks. So I have like a long one. It came this long actually. Like I didn't make it this long, it came this long. So guys, if you think this is really long, it's not actually that long. It is long, but people have longer ones, so I'm not a fidget queen, as I said. And then I have these crazy ones, all different colors, of course. Let's move on from wacky tracks. I think I should do, fidget spinners. So I have this wacky track fidget spinner. They have to be bent because my fingers are small, but if they were straight, my fingers would have to be bigger. See, it doesn't fit now. So I have this fidget spinner. It comes in a case. Well, it's also metal, but okay. So this one is pretty weird. Like, why would you have these? Ready for this? Mini fidget spinners. Like, these are so cute. Oh, I don't know what these are called. I'm just gonna call them spiky balls. It's like I have a blue one and a red one. I just couldn't get it out. What are these called? Comment below if you know what these are called, because I don't remember. But I have this galaxy one. And then I have this like normal one that a lot of people have. So. So now I'm on to my Rubik's Cubes. So I have a lot. No, I don't have a lot. I have 2. This one I got for my birthday. This one's pretty good. Like, it's like a normal one, but this one is different. See? But there's like a trick. I don't know how to do it, but there's like a trick. Like it's one way turn. I got a fidget cube. I have this like maze thingy. Like you have to get the ball like somewhere. You see the ball? Okay, it's really hard. Then I have this like thingy, like where you can take it apart. It's hard to get back together actually, like if you take it all apart. But I usually take like 2 pieces off. Because if I take the whole thing off, my dad, who actually made this channel, he'll have to put it back together for me. Oh, and last but not least, I have my monkey noodles. I know monkey noodles look like I have more than that, but I have a ton actually. Not more. Oh, I have this zipper bracelet. I have these thingies. And then this time thing. Like sometimes I like have the race and the blue always wins for some reason. Oh wait, I'm not finished. So here I have this Pop It bag. Here's the inside. And then I have this.